Hey everyone, it's Val here, and welcome back to my Unboxing with Val channel. So today's video, as you can tell, I've got an Ipsy. So this is the January 2023 Ipsy bag, and we're gonna go ahead and open it. Charlie, come on. Come here. Charlie, come here. Come here, Charlie. Charlie is my guest today. He's kind of my guest every day. You hear him barking and a lot in the backgrounds. So, and here is the bag. And then I do have a few add-ons that I did add on. So I will show those last. Or I'll show the add-ons last. For now, I will show you the bag. Oh, Charlie. Okay. So this month's bag is a purple, like it's a soft bag, and it's got like this lime green zipper and then, or lime green like stitching at the top by the zipper and like a pink zipper. So it's kind of like gives me very Easter vibes, lots of Easter vibes, and Easter is not until April, which is in 3 months. And then we've got, this is the little Ipsy zipper chain. I don't even know what it's called, accessory thing. And it's just like this, I don't know what these are called. I don't know how to describe this, but this is this month's little chain. Now we're gonna go ahead and open the bag. Oh, and I can't forget. So this month's theme is Girl Gone Glam, and 2023 is also the year of you, is what it says. It says, forget reinvention, throw resolutions out the door, never mind starting over. This year, just focus on doing you and discovering whatever makes you happy. Perfecting your skincare routine, experimenting with nail art, finding time to read, or reconnecting with friends. So, January 2023, the year of you. Let's go ahead and open it, and as always it shows you everything that's in the bag and the prices and everything like that. So I'll go ahead and get into everything. I'm gonna open the bag. And the first thing that I pull out is the Murad Hydration, the Hydrodynamic Ultimate Moisturizer. And the way that Ipsy describes it is, this rich yet lightweight skin saver uses shea butter, sunflower seed oil, coconut fruit extract, and avocado oil to help instantly moisturize, reduce the appearance of fine lines, and improve your skin texture. Plus, it's boosted with hyaluronic acid technology to lock in moisture. Their tip is to massage the moisturizer evenly over freshly cleansed face, neck, and chest, morning and evening. So this is a deluxe sample, but the full size of the version of this product ranges for $79. I know Murad is a more expensive brand. I have used Murad in the past for different things. FabFitFun, there was this one box that I got a Murad face cleanser, and I did love that cleanser. It was a great cleanser. And then I've also used their acne, like some acne cream that I could put on my face, and I did like that. So I do like Murad, and I think this is a great brand, and I'm excited to be using their moisturizer. The next thing that I pull out of the bag is the Skin&Co Roma Truffle Therapy Face Toner, and I'm excited for this one. I also got this, I've also had the full size of this one from a FabFitFun box, and I loved it. I ran out of it, and I haven't bought it again, but I would love to buy it again, the full size, so I'm excited for this one. And this one, what Ipsy says about this one is, tell your clogged pores to get lost when you use this purifying toner with clarifying rosemary, witch hazel, and cucumber to help soothe and detoxify your skin. Highly concentrated black truffle helps to heal and protect your complexion from free radicals. Their tip is to follow with your favorite serum and or moisturizer. The full-size version of this product goes for $27, which I don't think is very expensive. I feel like 27 is more on the lower value of like nice face like skincare products. I think $79 for this one is, you know, that's more on the higher end, but this is more on the lower end. The next product that I will be pulling out is the Beauty Vaulte Mascara in black. So this is the mascara, and it says, coat your lashes in this high pigment long wear mascara that helps give you length, volume, and fuller looking eyelashes that last and last, even in water. So it's waterproof. Their tip is for bolder lashes, wait until your first coat is dry before laying on a second. This is the full-size version of the product, and this one goes for $18. The next product that's in my bag is the Purlisse Beauty Travel Perfect Glow BB Concealer in medium. I feel like I've gotten quite a few Purlisse from Ipsy the last few months, so I haven't tried a lot of them yet, but I plan to eventually. And this is the product. And it says, not only does this concealer camouflage dark circles, spots, and redness, it helps correct them too. Lightweight, buildable pigments provide instant coverage, while a blend of botanicals helps brighten, smooth, and hydrate skin at the same time. Their tip is to use your fingers or a small makeup brush to blend this concealer into your skin. The full-size version of this product goes for $28, which I also feel like is on the lower end of beauty products. And then the last one, this didn't fit in the bag, but I'm excited for this one because it's it'll be nice to try out. It's the Head Kandy Mini Hair Care Set. So there is, I believe, a shampoo. There's a shampoo, conditioner, and leave-in treatment in this little bag. And it says, feed your follicles with fortifying amino-keratins when you use this hair care trio. Featuring a travel-sized shampoo, conditioner, and leave-in, this set helps you keep your strands strong and shiny whether you're home or at a hotel. Tip, you'll smell so yummy, so take a big whiff as you lather. The full size of this product, I believe for each of the three are $15. So $15 for the shampoo, conditioner, and leave-in treatment. So I'm excited to try this one. That'll be a nice one to try. Now for the add-ons that I got for this month. So as I've told you all, one thing that I've been trying more is their like different face washes, and now I have a lot of face washes, but I've been running out of my moisturizers, so I want to try different moisturizers. And not just that, I also wanted to try this hemp seed deep hydration serum. So the first one that I got is a serum. It's the like I said, it's the hemp seed deep hydration serum, and it says to gently pat over your cleansed face and neck until it fully absorbed before moisturizing. It's supposed to be calming and hydrating. So this is what I got as one of my add-ons. The second add-on I got was the Miss Flower and Mr. Honey Propolis Rejuvenating Lotion. It's a facial lotion, and I got this, or it says, this lotion delivers rejuvenating moisture and nutrients in smooth and easy to absorb texture. So I wanted to try this moisturizer out. And then the last one that I got is Earth Harbor Mermaid Milk, which is the Nutrient Glow Moisturizer with spirulina and matcha. It is plant-based with no GMOs. It is vegan, cruelty-free, sustainable, fair trade, no gluten added, no soy added, small batch made, woman owned. It says a purely natural replenishing moisturizer that hydrates and balances skin while giving you a mermaid glow. Mermaid Milk's lightweight creamy formula is packed with concentrated superfoods, vegan hyaluronic acid, phytonutrients, and antioxidants that perfectly moisturize, soothe, and nurture skin. Wear her under makeup or alone to let skin breathe. The ritual after cleansing and toning, massage a small amount into skin in upward circular motions. Apply more as needed based on your skin's present moisture needs. And what I love about Ipsy is that so there's the different like sections of add-ons, so it's like $3 to $5 probably, and then like $5 and maybe like $5 and $9, and then $9 to $12. So I never go over, like when I get add-ons, I never go anything that's over $12. I'll try and stick below 12 and below. And so I like to get those products, or I like to browse through them, and it's just a great way to like, I feel like, save money, because I don't have to keep buying like, $70 worth of products to, full size, and I get to try different things. So that's what I love about Ipsy, and that was everything that I got in this month's bag. So if you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a big thumbs up, subscribe down below, and comment down below if you are subscribed to any beauty boxes, or what your skin routine looks like now for either morning or evening. I'm interested in knowing, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye everyone!